Good morning, students. Today is science class 6 and our topic is deficiency diseases. Insufficient amount of nutrients in the food causes deficiency diseases. Some such diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals are discussed below. If we have not take proper diet like a balanced diet, the we have suffer many type of diseases and this is called deficiency diseases. First, night blindness. Symptoms: the person cannot see clearly in dim light. Causes: vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. And prevention: consuming food rich in vitamin A such as carrot, papayas, pumpkins, leafy vegetables such as spinach, liver and fish. Next topic, rickets. Symptoms: the bone soft and twisted. A child with rickets can be identified by the presence of bone deformities such as bow legs, knock knees, or pigeon chest. The child has weak muscles and is also prone to intestinal and respiratory tract infection. Causes: vitamin D and calcium deficiency in growing child causes rickets. Prevention: daily diet should be include milk and food items rich in vitamin D. Children should be exposed to morning sunlight as vitamin D is made by the skin when the body is exposed to sunlight. Here the diagram, a child which are suffering from rickets. His leg are bow legs and knees are knocked and his chest look like a pigeon chest. And prevention: daily diet include milk and food item rich in vitamin D. Children should be exposed in morning sunlight as vitamin D is made by the skin when the body exposed to sunlight. Next topic, goiter. Symptom: enlargement of thyroid glands, glands present in the neck region. The child suffering from iodine deficiency remains extremely short. This leads to dwarfism, means person lead to dwarf or cretins. Iodine deficiency also leads poor performance in school going children. His brain have not proper developed and the children have suffering from in this disease. Causes: cause deficiency of iodine cause goiter. Goiter, a type of disease which is the enlargement of thyroid glands. Prevention: iodized salt and food items rich in iodine such as shrimps, fish, boiled egg, banana and baked potato should be included in the diet. And here the person suffering from goiter. Next topic is scurvy. Symptoms: swollen or bleeding gums and wound that may fail or heal are some of the common symptoms. In severe cases, scurvy can cause sudden death. Cause: deficiency of vitamin C cause scurvy. Prevention: regular intake of fresh lime, sweet limes, orange, vegetables, and germinated pulses help in preventing scurvy. Proper cooking method ensure that the diet is not deficient of vitamin C. Overheating destroy the vitamin C. If you have overheat, vitamin C or not you have taken in your food, so we have not overcooked it. Did you know that in 1497 Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route from the Europe to India? During this long sea voyage, the sailors were deprived of fresh vegetable for many months. As a result, nearly 100 sailors died due to scurvy. Next topic, anemia. The anemic person has pale skin, flat and pale nails, dark patches below the eyes, looks tired and suffers from frequent headache. A person suffering from anemia has less hemoglobin in the blood. Hemoglobin help to carry the oxygen and carbon dioxide whole body. This condition may further be worsened by the warm infections and malaria. Cause deficiency of iron in diet is the main cause of anemia. Iron deficiency can occur also due to reduced absorption of minerals from foods. Prevention: it can be prevented by including iron rich food item in daily diet such as leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals, meat, liver and fish. Prevention of worm infections is very important in the treatment of anemia. So we have take leafy vegetable, pulses, cereals, meat, liver and fish. It prevent to the disease anemia. Here, here one life skill. Breakfast is important meal of the day. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Have every meal at a proper time and at the same time every day. Do not eat only what you like. Eat all kinds of vegetable, fruits and pulses. It helps to prevent all type of diseases and our body growing well. Table showing deficiency disease. Their symptoms, causes and food to be the taken to cure the deficiency. Here diseases, symptoms, causes and food sources. Night blindness, cannot see clearly in dim light. Lack of vitamin A in diet. Carrot, spinach, fish, papayas, fish liver oil. Rickets, bolex, knock knees, pigeon chest. Vitamin D and calcium deficiency. Food source: milk, fish, meat, fish liver oil. Goiter, thyroid glands enlarged. Iodine deficiency in diet. Iodized salts and seafoods. Scurvy, bleeding gums. Lack of vitamin C in diet. We have taken citrus fruit. Regular intake lemons and oranges and citrus fruits. Anemia, fall in hemoglobin level in blood and weakness. Deficiency of iron minerals. Spinach, nuts, pulses, fish and eggs. Thank you, student.